Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems out of this book here, the GMAT review, the official guide. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You will find it at mba.com. The problem that I'm about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 178. Problem solving number 194. We're going to play a little game here, okay? And I hope you do as I tell you, because you will get more out of it. It'll be a good exercise, and whatever it is that you're going to learn out of this clip will stay with you forever and ever for the rest of your life. So here's what we're going to do, okay? Just follow what I'm telling you. There are three problems here. This one is asking you how much is 373 times 295, and here are the answer choices: 103,394, 105,527, 107,392, 110,018, 110,035. That's one question. So the second question simply is, how much is 29 squared? And here are the five answer choices for that. The third question is, how much is 7 cubed times 9 squared? How much is 7 cubed times 9 squared? Now here's what I want you to do. I want you to pause this clip right now. I want you to pause this thing. Don't watch the whole thing right away. Pause it. I want you to work on these three problems. Do whatever it is that you have to do. Find the three answers first, and then continue watching it. And you'll see where I'm going with it. I'm going with it someplace. Just listen to me. That's how you're going to solve this particular problem. The problem here is how much. The problem 194. We'll solve this problem in a second. But solve this problem, see if you can see what you can do there. Once you have the three answer choices, then continue the clip. I'm going to get out of the frame for a while, for about 10 seconds, so you have a chance to look at the blackboard clearly. Alright, I'm back. I hope that you did as I told you, which is to pause this frame, pause this clip, solve the problem yourself, and see what happens. I hope you did the way I was hoping that you would do it. Here's the answer to it. You see? When you multiply this 373 times 295, when you multiply it, first you get is 5 times 3, 15. That is going to be your unit digit. That is going to be your unit digit. In the unit digit, you're going to have 15, which is 5 here. The only place where I see unit digit of 5 is this. This is the answer. That's it. Similarly, if you do 29 times 29, 9 times 9 is 81, you're going to have a 1 in the unit digit. There you go. Right there is the answer. The answer is C. Similarly here, 7 cubed. 7 times 7 is 21. 7 times 7 is 21. Oh, sorry, 49. I almost made a mistake. 49. And when you multiply it by 7, 9 times 7 is 63. It's going to have a 3 in the unit digit. So that's when I multiply 7 times 7 times 7, it has a unit digit of 3. When I do 9 times 9, which is the 9 squared, when I do that, the unit digit is 1. Which means that the product of these two will have a unit digit of 3 times 1, which is 3. The answer is the very first one. That's it. A is the answer. That's it, we're done. That was the answer there. That is what you need to do in this particular problem. Let's look at number 194 now. Now we are ready for it. Alright? Now we are ready for it. Let's see what happens. I need the room, so I'm going to erase one of these. I'm going to erase this one here. Question is, what is the unit digit? What is the unit digit of 13 to the 4th times 17 squared times 29 to the 3rd? Let me see. Change the color so you can see it. Let's do 13 to the 4th first. 13, 13, 13, 13. And stay with me in the story because I'm not going to write everything down. Let me look at the clock again. Alright, we are 5 minutes into it. So 3 times 3 is going to give me 9. 9 times 3 is 27. As I said before, stay with me in this story. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27, which means in the unit digit I have 7 so far. 7 times 3 is going to be 21, which means when I multiply all of these things, in the unit digit I'm going to have 1. That's what this part is. So this will have a unit digit of 1. Let's do 17 times 17. 17 times 17, in the unit digit I'm going to have 7 times 7, which is 49. So I'm going to have 9 in the unit digit when I do 17 times 17. Let's do 29. 29 times 29 times 29. 9 times 9 is 81, which means so far when I multiply these two numbers, 29 times 29, unit digit will have 1 because I have 81. And the unit digit of 1 here times 9 is going to give me 9 again. So here I have 9. So this is the unit digit of this guy, this is the unit digit of this guy, this is the unit digit of this guy. So now we have to multiply this thing to figure out the unit digit overall. 1 times 9 is just 9 and 9 times 9 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81, which means the unit digit of the entire thing is 1 because it ends in an 81. Unit digit is 1. Well, there you go. The answer is E. That's all. We're done. I hope you found this helpful. If you wish to buy my DVDs where I show you the solutions to all the math problems, and I do some extra stuff too like I did here. I didn't have to do this extra stuff. As a matter of fact, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to put the clips at all. But anyway, when I do something, I try to do it as thoroughly and as properly as possible, within, of course, reasonable constraint. If you wish to buy my DVDs, where I show you the solutions to all the math problems, or if you wish to hire me for personal private tutoring, face-to-face tutoring, you will get a lot out of it. I was going to say hell of a lot out of it, but I edited it. Not really, because I just said it. You will get a lot out of it on the face-to-face private tutoring. In either case, go to my website at www.prep4 GMAT.com and send me an email. Alright? And we'll talk. Thank you. I'm in Connecticut, but of course, it doesn't prevent me to go anywhere as long as it's worth my while. Thank you.